thought today we can just take the S4 out for a drive and just have fun. I'm going to a quick event. Well, not a quick event, but there's something that one of the dealership has put together, so I'm going to check it out. But that doesn't mean we're gonna go there in silence. So yeah, let's go for a drive together and get to enjoy the day. It's a nice weather, very gloomy. It's supposed to be raining, but it's not. So I think it's a good thing for us. And I think since I've done a bit of work on the car, I've done the thermostat again and the fan control module and something else. And so far, the car seems to be performing very well. And I think today is one of the days where I'm just going to take it out for a drive and see if all the parts that I've replaced, they actually are doing what they're supposed to be doing. But overall, I think the car still performs very well. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think today nothing much really. It's just gonna be a drive to the dealership or to the event. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, I think my exhaust sounds really nice. My setup, I know it's not a full exhaust, but it's something, does the job, so I'm happy with that. We have arrived at Audi Rivonia for an event that they have today. So basically, they're doing a lot of test drives and looking at cars and all of that. So let's have a look and see what they're up to. Yeah, there are some nice cars. This is a tribute to the main car, which is right over there. There's a lot of people here because it's an event. Yeah, so that is a tribute to this car over here. And I think this is where everybody is. Yeah, we'll walk around and see what's happening. Let's check out this car here. We also have the Audi F1 car, which looks really, really nice. If there's anything new that we can see, well, I've been to the dealership quite a few times, so I've seen these cars. But if I see, I'll just take a walk around and then you'll see all these cars in detail. So these are some of the few cars that they have at the dealership, Audi Rivonia. This is a nice Audi Q3. Then that's an SQ5. And that car looks massive, so much presence. Looks really, really nice. Front end is really, really aggressive. Really, really nice. And yeah, there's quite a lot of cars in here that they have on the floor. But I think what I'm interested in is the actual test drive that they have, the event that they have outside. And that is a nice S6, brand new S6. Run over there. Looks really, really nice. And this is the S7. Top of the range Audi RSQ8. And these are some of the cars that are doing the test drives. That's an Audi Q3, and I think it's gonna go out just now for a test drive. One of the customers. These are all the cars that are being test driven. Going up the escalator to have a look at some more cars. Okay, here's some more cars. Some really, really nice cars. Oh, this SQ5 looks really nice. Looks really, really nice with this body kit. Oh, this is pretty cool. Never seen this before, but looks really nice. The tailpipes. Okay. Mm, not so sure about that boot spoiler. Well, the one in the middle. But overall, the car looks really, really nice. Oh, the front looks aggressive. Looks really, really nice. I love the body kit, the wheels, everything. Let me see the size of these wheels. These are 285 or 22s. They are massive. 22-inch wheels, which is quite nice. It's a really nice car. Now, that's a car. That is a massive car. This is really, really nice. It's sitting on 23-inch wheels. these, these are massive. That is a really, really nice car. Yeah, Audi has some nice cars in here. Let's go sit inside and then see. Oh, the interior looks clean. And I love the black accent, well, blue accent, not black. It's quite nice. This is nice. This is really, really nice. This is nice. And the quality, the buttons feel really, really nice. Steering wheel, Alcantara, and the door. Bang& Olufsen. Oh, this is really, really nice. Also has wireless charging. Yeah, it's got quite a lot of things and some blue stitching. And it also has the hood head-up display. Quite cool. This is a really nice car. RS Performance. Carbon fiber mirrors. Yeah, this is a nice car. I'd really, really love to have one of these one day. Hopefully, things go well. Then yeah, I'll definitely have one of these. Yeah, there's a lot of cars here. Some electrical cars. Well, some electric cars. There's a nice RS3. There's a nice RS4. And then these tail lights are awesome. I love how they are. Yeah, the RS3 is quite small from this angle. It looks like an A1 actually, which is very, very strange because I honestly thought it was an A1, but it's actually an RS3. And this is an RS4. Um, Massive tailpipes. Nice car. I love the color. I love the blue actually. I've never seen this blue on an Audi because there's this blue on this car and there's also that blue on the RSQ8. Very, very nice. Love it. Let's get a better angle of this RS4. It looks really, really nice. Love how it is. Okay, let's go inside and check it out. Oh, it still has like Plastic covers on the sills. Interesting. Oh, it's nice in here. Okay, really, really nice. Okay, but yeah, this is quite nice. Leather steering wheel, original steering wheel. Love this. Okay, so the gear shifter is the same as on the RSQ8. Yeah, storage here, cell phone charging, same as on the other car. Yeah, looks really nice. Same here. I love this thing, this leather on the armrest. It actually makes a difference because when you actually put your arm here or your elbow, you don't actually like, well, this thing doesn't break, so it's quite nice. Love that. Okay, going back down. Okay, it's not for another draw and it's not for another temporary. If we put your name in here, I'd like to give you another hand. Welcome to Audi Center, California. Okay, looks like there's some sort of competition going on. Let's go have a look. So that was it with the Audi event. Eventful, very nice. So I think that's it for the day. Just gonna keep going and see if we can enjoy more of the drive.